Hi everyone, welcome to Twin Mommy Cooking Channel. Today's recipe is Andhra style chili chicken gravy. The ingredients to make chili chicken gravy are: we need half a kg chicken. This is sliced 4 to 5 green chilies, 1 onion. This is around 15 green chilies. This is corn flour, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, ginger garlic paste, and this is oil. Now I'll tell you the steps to make Andhra style green chili chicken. First take a mixie jar, add all the green chilies, and we'll add our onion. You need to grind this till it becomes a coarse paste. You can see now it's grinded and it has become a coarse paste, onion and green chili. Now take a pan, add little oil. Now I'm adding my chicken pieces into this oil. So next I'm adding salt. I forgot to mention earlier, we need to add even 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. And 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now you need to mix this well. So let us cook this for about 10 minutes. Okay, next I'm adding my green chili and onion paste. Okay. And I'm adding little vinegar, or about 1 teaspoon. Now I'm adding soya sauce, about 1 teaspoon. So we need to mix this well. So you need to mix this well and we'll add little water, and it will the chicken will boil nicely. Let's add little water and we let it cook for about 15 minutes. I'm adding this extra green chilies which we had slit, and I have added water, 1 glass of water. So let it cook nicely for about 15 minutes. Close the lid and let's cook for about 15 minutes. You can see now the chicken is cooked well. I am adding corn flour with little water to make it little thick so that it becomes like a gravy. You need to stir this. Now in the end I am adding coriander for garnishing. And you need to mix this well. So you can see now it's become thick gravy. So our chili chicken is now ready. You can turn off the flame. Our green chili chicken is now ready. This is Andhra style green chili chicken and it's really yummy and tasty. and very spicy as well. Please do like and subscribe to Twin Mommy Cooking channel for more yummy recipes. Thank you all.